Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook this chicken risoni. So it's a type of pasta that I'm going to show you. So this is the type of pasta, risoni, and what I need in the large pan is a little bit of oil and some butter, which I'm going to melt the butter. So just making sure the butter melts. So just adding some onion, so just cooking the onion until they're nice and golden brown. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic paste, I'm just going to cook this until everything is nice and fragrant. So adding black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of Moroccan seasoning. So now I'm adding a can of crushed tomatoes, just mixing this through. You can use sun-dried tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, whatever you have, or tomato paste, but for me I prefer to use a can of crushed tomatoes. I'm just going to cook this until the sauce is nice and starting to thicken. And now I'm just adding my chicken. So I'm using leftover chicken that I've shredded, and I'm just going to mix this chicken in the sauce. So now I'm adding chicken stock. So you can use any chicken stock that you like. For me, I'm using South African chicken stock. So I've just added a cup there. I'm going to bring this to boil. So I'm going to possibly to add a cup and a half of chicken stock. So just adding another half a cup. I'll bring this to boil. Just add a little bit of salt for taste. So now I'm just going to add the about 400 grams of my risoni. So just guys, this is not rice, this is risoni. It's a pasta that is small in size. I'm just going to add some cream. Guys, just simmer until the risoni is cooked, and you can add Parmesan cheese or any cheese that you like. I'm just adding fresh basil.